This video covers the full diminished 7th chord, the arpeggiated chord, for starting on the note E flat. This is for E flat minor. It's got 6 flats, lots of black keys. Well, not so much on the diminished. Now remember, these are built on minor thirds. So you just start here. You go up a minor third, go up a minor third, go up a minor third. So you got 2 black keys next to each other, and the 4th and 3rd fingers are playing those. Here, but we're starting on E flat. And the pattern's the same as everything else. 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. So we're starting here, below middle C here, starting 4 and 3 here. That's here. And again, do the tremolo exercise on this because it helps drill in the spreading of these fingers apart. So it's 1 and 2 octaves up and down here. You can do 3 and 4 octaves if you want to. When I was in college, I had to do 3 and 4 octaves too. You go back down and then do the 2 octaves. Up and down, and then for the actual arpeggio, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. The same pattern as all the others. The only thing is we don't need to do the inversions here because the inversions are other videos. So this 1 octave, 2 octaves, then 3 octaves and 4 octaves, and contrary motion and parallel motion and the whole 9 yards here. Make sure you're accenting on the beat, and dropping the wrist is very important because that is what's going to give you that control you need later on to play even, smooth arpeggios and scales, runs and pieces. You'll be surprised at just how easy it is to actually make them even and smooth if you've been doing these accents and wrist drops on these exercises to scale and arpeggios.